Hello everyone, this is Free Name on YouTube with a quick video on how to factory reset this Vodafone Power Hub, which was the router that's sent to customers in May 2025, otherwise known as the SKU code 220519 or the model number DGM4137VDF. You will need a paperclip or a SIM eject tool or some other thing that can fit in the reset hole. The reset hole is just to the right of the power connector on the back of the router. Keep an eye on the lights on the left side when you press the reset button. I'll tell you when I'm going to press it now, and on the left side all the lights come on and then one by one they all go out. You need to wait until about 2 seconds after the final light has gone out and then take the reset tool or the tool that you're using out of the reset hole. The lights on the left side will all flash, as you can see in the video. And then they will stop flashing. And if you turn the router around, the power light will be flashing as the router boots up again. So this process to boot up takes about 4.5 minutes before it's ready to use the internet again. I'll leave this video running so you can see what the light on the front does and how long until it's ready. If this video has been helpful to you, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the notifications on, but the subscriber numbers really do help. So thank you very much if you do. So the light has started flashing orange now instead of blue, but we are still not yet ready to use the internet. At this stage, it's probably now started its operating system and it will now be bringing up a PPP session or whatever it uses over the WAN to Vodafone. And then I believe it only goes into a pre-configuration mode, then it downloads like the VoIP configuration and other stuff and then reconnects. So at this stage, the internet light will initially go solid white, and that's, I think, its pre-configuration. I'm connecting to Vodafone to then download further settings state, because this white light will probably not give you internet access and will very soon return to being an orange light where it disconnects and then reconnects. There we have it. It has disconnected and flashing orange again, and then very soon after it will go back to being on solid white with the internet working and with your telephone working if you have a telephone service. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the video notifications on, but as I said earlier, the subscriber numbers really do help. So thank you very much.